All right, welcome back. We're at Jack's Place Subdivision in Nampa, and I'm your host, Jason. I'm going to be taking you through the tour today, so buckle up. We're going to start our tour right there in that greenhouse. That's 5304 South Danforth, and this was the Milano on the far west side of the neighborhood. It's the one in the video that has the spider up front. Just a good way to delineate the two. Probably my second least favorite Milano. I mean, a good house, but when you've got 4 to pick from plus the Tamarack, this one just had a hard time competing. And the neighbor was the closest in the backyard out of all of them on this guy. So then we're going to drop from Danforth. We're going to head over here east. We're going to go to 5225 and 5226 Castleton. And that's right past this retention pond here. So 5225, the white one, 5226, that green one back there. Then we're going to do roundabouts on each of these. So you can see on 5225 Castleton here, plenty of space to put a shop right there if you needed to. Keep in mind it does have like a 4.5 car garage. A lot of space inside of that garage and a good sized backyard overall. Beautiful white exterior color. And then we're going to bump on over here to 5226 Castleton. We're going to go the opposite direction. Here we go on that one. Milano plan, kind of in that olive green color as well. This one had an awesome backyard as far as you could see the neighbor's goats. It really kind of made it feel like old town Americana. It'd be cool as long as they never develop it, and they might develop it at some point. I mean, almost guaranteed, but is that 5 years, 20 years? Who knows? So then we're going to finish up that one right there. Swing around to the front, give you a little bit more view here in the northeast. Beautiful. All right, so here they are again, 5226, 5225. We're going to head back west just to give you a view this direction, going back towards Danforth Avenue over here. And we haven't seen the Perjue Basin Drive house that's on the north side. You'll get a quick glimpse of that, but I didn't spend too much time on that one. Okay, so this is the 360 view, and this is from neighborhood height level, just to kind of give you the lay of the land. So I started off going left here. I'm not sure why. That subdivision kind of tells you what it will look like in a few years. And then these farm plots kind of look like the Sims video game, where it's like, come on in and build the city. It's pretty interesting. Victory Charter School, Liberty Charter School, followed by 5424. And that's the one that we filmed the other day. And then 5226, 5225, real quick turn there. Perjue Basin's back there, but we're just going to get right at it at the street level. Again, 5225, 5226 right here on the right in the green there, left on the in the white there. We're going to swing around. Okay, there's Perjue Basin back here. Yep, 1104. It's that white Milano right there. I don't particularly care for the backyard. That's probably my least favorite out of all of them. I mean, a nice house, but not when you've got these other ones to choose from. And then there's Danforth again. So then we're going to swing back around here. Going to be facing south here, back towards the charter schools again. And then we're going to finish by coming around. There's Castleton, 5424 back there in the corner, that big lot. And you can see 5226, and then 5225 right here to kind of wrap up this circular neighborhood tour. And then finally, 400 feet up, we got the Oahe Mountains to the southwest. We got beautiful Lake Lowell over there. That's more west, starting to get northwest sort of. You're going to have Nampa here out in the distance. I slow down to see if you can make out anything. It's kind of hard. And then we're going to finish with Bogus Basin way out there in the northeast, our far side mountain range. And then Micron, which is all the way over here to the east. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.